In today's digital world, where distractions abound, having the ability to maintain focus is considered a superpower. But how crucial is focus in our lives, and how can we harness it to achieve our goals? Stay tuned as we explore the significance of focus and discover effective strategies to stay on track and accomplish what truly matters to us. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to Life's Echoes, where matters of life find their voice. And if you enjoy the video, please give it a like. Attention span refers to the length of time an individual can focus and concentrate on a task or activity without becoming distracted or losing interest. It is a measure of how long a person's attention can be sustained on a specific subject or stimulus. The attention span can vary among individuals and can be influenced by factors such as age, development, cognitive abilities, and external stimuli. According to a recent study, the average human attention span is 8.25 seconds. It can vary among individuals and can be affected by various factors such as age, environment, and type of activity. It decreased by almost 25% between 2000 and 2015. It is now often believed to be shorter than that of a goldfish, which supposedly has a 9-second attention span. The digital world has significantly impacted our attention spans. With the rise of smartphones, social media platforms, and endless streams of online information, our attention spans have become more fragmented and easily distracted. The constant availability of notifications and the ability to quickly switch between tasks have made it difficult to maintain sustained focus on a single activity. The digital world is designed to be attention-grabbing, with constantly updating content and visually stimulating features, which further contributes to shorter attention spans. Additionally, multitasking has become the norm, with people frequently switching between different digital tasks, leading to decreased concentration and decreased ability to stay focused for extended periods. Overall, the digital world has fostered an environment where our attention is constantly pulled in different directions, making it challenging to maintain focus and sustain attention on a single task. Having a shorter attention span can negatively impact an individual's ability to focus. It makes them more prone to distraction, as they struggle to filter out irrelevant stimuli and maintain concentration. This can lead to decreased productivity, as tasks take longer to complete and errors may occur. Additionally, shorter attention spans make information processing and understanding more difficult, requiring more effort to comprehend and retain information. Completing complex tasks that require sustained focus becomes challenging, leading to superficial or incomplete outcomes. Lastly, shorter attention spans can affect interpersonal relationships, as it becomes harder to engage in meaningful conversations and actively listen to others. An individual's ability to maintain focus, especially in today's digital world, is crucial, as focus is often linked to success. According to famous inventor and scientists Alexander Graham Bell, concentrate all your thoughts on the work at hand. The sun's rays do not burn until brought to a focus. When an individual can effectively direct their attention and concentration towards their goals, they are more likely to achieve them. Maintaining focus enables individuals to work efficiently, make progress, and complete tasks with greater accuracy and quality. It allows for better problem solving, decision making, and creativity. When harnessed effectively, focus helps individuals block out distractions, remain on track, and maintain clarity of thought. By fine-tuning their concentration, individuals can enhance productivity and elevate their performance to new heights. In today's technologically advanced world, distractions are abundant and can derail even the most well-intentioned individuals. However, those who possess strong focus skills understand the importance of managing distractions effectively. Here are some tips on how to improve your ability to focus. Tip number 1. Take care of your body. To ensure optimal brain function, it is important to prioritize care for your body. Insufficient sleep can negatively impact concentration, while getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep has been shown to enhance focus during the day. Regular exercise, even something as simple as taking a walk, is beneficial as it releases neurotransmitters that improve focus. Additionally, maintaining proper hydration and following a nutritious diet are key factors in performance. Consuming unhealthy foods or sugary drinks can lead to brain fog and hinder concentration. So if you want to focus easier, taking care of your body is essential. Tip number 2. Eliminate distraction. Your smartphone is the biggest anti-focus device there is. Its constant ringing, vibrating, and notifications can easily divert our attention from the task at hand. Research shows that cognitive capacity is significantly enhanced when the phone is not only turned off, but also out of sight. This way, your primary focus remains on accomplishing what you need to do. This doesn't mean to throw your phone away. Instead, it is advisable to place it in a location where it cannot disrupt you or tempt you to look at it when you need to concentrate on something. While cell phones are often the biggest contributors to divided focus, it's important to recognize that any object or situation can be a potential distraction. The key is to be mindful of these distractions and actively take steps to avoid them, ensuring that you can maintain your focus and attention. Tip number 3. Reduce multitasking. Although multitasking may give us the illusion of productivity, it actually undermines our focus, concentration, and overall productivity. Engaging in multiple activities simultaneously can lead to lower quality work and increase the risk of burnout. Think of our attention as a spotlight. When we direct this spotlight to a specific area, our vision is clear and focused. However, if we try to spread that same amount of light across a large dark room, our ability to see clearly becomes diminished, and we can only perceive vague outlines. To improve focus and maintain high-quality work, it is crucial to avoid the pitfalls of multitasking and instead prioritize single tasking. By dedicating our full attention to one task at a time, we can optimize our focus and enhance the quality of our work. Tip number 4. Take a break. Taking short breaks can actually improve your mental concentration, even though it may seem counterintuitive. When we focus on something for a long time, our attention starts to diminish, making it harder to stay focused. Research has shown that our brains tend to ignore constant stimulation, so taking small breaks and redirecting our attention elsewhere can greatly improve our concentration. But contrary to what many people tend to do, taking a break doesn't involve mindlessly scrolling through social media or engaging in activities that continue to stimulate your brain. Doing so actually depletes your mental energy rather than recharging it. Instead, when taking a break, opt for more low-stimulation activities, such as going for a walk or taking a nap. These activities allow you to unplug and give your brain some much-needed breathing room to recharge. Although it may seem unexciting, giving yourself the opportunity to be bored can be beneficial for your mental energy levels. Lastly, keep practicing concentration. Concentration is not just an innate ability, but rather a skill that can be honed through practice. Similar to how athletes train for their respective sports, you can train your focus. The more you engage in concentration exercises, the better you will become at maintaining your attention. To develop this skill, allocate a specific time during the day where you can sit down and concentrate on a single task for as long as possible. It is crucial to protect this block of time and make it a priority. The optimal time for enhanced focus is typically in the morning, approximately an hour after waking up. At this time, you are fully awake, and your mind is not yet preoccupied with numerous distractions that demand your attention. Keep practicing, as developing and strengthening your mental focus is a gradual process that requires time and consistency. It's not something that can be achieved overnight. Success can be elusive, and many factors contribute to achieving it. However, one crucial aspect that often separates the successful from the rest is their ability to focus. Whether it's in academics, business, sports, or any other field, the power of focus plays a pivotal role in unlocking one's full potential and driving accomplishments. By honing the ability to focus, individuals equip themselves with a priceless tool to unlock their full potential and transform their aspirations into realities. This is Life's Echoes, and as always, thank you for watching.